Oppan Gangnam Style.
Sorry I had to mute the sound. Copyright issues. Yes, as you can see in the videos, today, we will make such an edit in a video we have using the Deforum extension. Before we start, I have to say this. If you try to make other settings without adjusting the Controlnet and hybrid video settings, you will most likely get an error. So first, adjust the Controlnet and hybrid video settings that I will show you. Since I saved the settings before, all the settings are loaded when I just click on Load Settings. If you do this, you won't have to make constant adjustments. As you can see, all settings are loaded. We will use 3 Controlnets. You will need Controlnet models for this. Since I cannot share the link on the channel yet, I will write the link on the screen. You can pause the video and write it from here. The first thing we will do here is to select the model and set the weight schedule to 0.7. Here we select the Controlnet is more important option. We also paste the path of our video here. To copy the file path, in Windows 11, we right-click on the file and select Copy as Path. In Windows 10, we right-click the mouse while holding the Shift key. We change our model in our second Controlnet adjustment. You can download these models from the link I just wrote on the screen. If you have any questions, write in the comment. Unlike the first Controlnet section, here we select the My Prompt is more important option. The model we will use in the third Controlnet is different, and we select the Open Pose Facially option as the preprocessor. Here, we set the weight schedule to 1 and paste the file path here. I prefer to use 3 Controlnets. Remember that the more Controlnets you use, the better results you will get, but your rendering time will increase in direct proportion to this. Now, let's look at our hybrid video settings. Since I loaded it before, it's all ready. Make the adjustments as I show. In the output section, make the F's value of the video you will in it. You can see it if you right-click on the video and go to the Detail tab. If you want the sound of your video to be added again when you render, you can select the Init video in the Add Soundtrack section. Now, let's make our run and keyframe settings. Set the step to 40 and write the resolution according to the resolution of your video. Now, let's move on to the keyframe tab. Animation mode may remain 2D. You can set the strength schedule value to 0.15 or 0.2. Set the zoom to 1 and set all other motion adjustments to 0. Also set the noise schedule to 0. In the Coherence tab, we set the color coherence to Lab and select the Legacy Color Match option right below it. Set the amount schedule value to 0.5. I'm writing wrong here. Let's see when this mistake will appear. We also set the CFG value to 5. There are also people who use the ITER option in the seed section, but I prefer to use fixed. If you choose ITER, a different image is produced each time. When we came to the prompt, I used a prompt that I found ready-made by making changes. I will write the prompt for you in the description section. You can repay this favor by subscribing to my channel. I will share with you everything I have tried and learned as a tutorial on my channel. We paste the file path that we pasted in the Controlnet into the video init section. Do not forget to delete the punctuation mark at the end and beginning of the file path. Now let's see our video again.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Now, all our settings are ready, but the value I wrote incorrectly will appear here. I specifically wanted this part to remain in the video, So if you encounter this situation, you will learn where the problem originates. As you can see here, it actually says where the problem originates from. Now, we generate again. Our process has started. First, our video will be divided into frames, then each image will create our video with the image-to-image process. Since I have done the process before, I just want to show you something important here. When you click on the file icon here, you can see the completed images. The first image will be the same as the video you in it. The second may be a little flawed, but the third one will start to produce the result you want. So do not cancel the process immediately when you see the first image. Now, is wait and see for the second and third images to be completed. Then I will show you what result you will get when the entire process is completed. There will be people wondering, I am using NVIDIA RTX 3060 with 12 GB RAM. The rendering of this 9-second video took approximately 2.5 hours. Look, the second image looks almost okay. The reason why the transactions take so long is because we use 3 control nets. We started to get what we wanted in the third image. Since I have already rendered the video, I am canceling the process, and let's see the result again. By the way, my wallpaper is a stable diffusion product. As you can see, the video turned out as we wanted. I will continue to perform operations with different values, just to make it a little smoother. If anyone knows how to make it smoother, you can write it in the comments. And if you subscribe to my channel, I can share better results with you. Don't forget to save the settings. See you in the next video. Do not forget to comment on the errors you get. I can write at almost any time of the day.